Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're back. I'm really hitting y'all with videos lately, like I'm not playing at all. So today I'm doing a get ready with me, a chit chat get ready for me, because y'all asked for it. I did a poll on Instagram and it was like neck to neck for playlists and get ready with me, so I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do both. Like another video is gonna be a playlist because I want to give that to you, because you know, like music. So as you can see, I have this huge zit. I used to have cystic acne, and sometimes it comes back once in a while, but we're gonna try to cover it up. My eyebrows aren't done, so this is really gonna be a bum to baddie type of thing. I finally got a tripod so like y'all can see me. I don't have to prop y'all up on weird places and stuff like that. These are my dead roses my boyfriend gave me. They're dying. Mind your business. So let's get started, shall we? I don't know what y'all want me to talk about. Like I don't know what y'all want me to talk about because like I didn't get too specific with that part, but I'm gonna just wing it, I guess. How y'all been? How are you? Wait, let me drink some water. I'm thirsty. So the occasion today, my cousin, it's her birthday and she's releasing her brand. She's having like a release party, which I'm gonna be vlogging. So that's the occasion. This is what my hair is in right now. I know. I look like grandma, but this keeps your hair wrapped. My makeup bag is so dirty, like already. Like it's so dirty. I can't wait to not have this bag anymore because it's really hard to take care of your makeup when it's all in a dirty bag. Okay, so this is the, do y'all see that? Ew. Do y'all see that? Yo, this is like so cringy. Thing about it is like I have money to buy makeup, but I just don't know what to buy. I just want to buy things that I don't need, one. And I just don't want to waste my money on things that I don't like. I've been using like the same beauty supply makeup because it's like, what do I even get? Like, how do y'all go to the, because I don't know what's good, I don't know what's bad, I don't know what's, honestly, I don't really watch makeup videos for like I do, but I don't like watch it, so I don't really know what's good, what's not good, what's bad, what's not bad. So I just don't get makeup. I don't want my eyebrows to stick. I really don't. Hold on. This is how I fake having thinner brows when I don't have my eyebrows done. I like use Got To Be and I press the top down. I don't know what makes it get. So if y'all know any good brands, or, and then every brand is getting canceled like every 5 weeks. Like I have the James Charles palette and I'm just like, I'm gonna use it because I'm gonna use it, but like, dang, y'all suck. Y'all suck. We're going back to school soon. I'm going back on the 9th for like orientation. Tomorrow we have to go in and like make like videos, I guess, for the rest of the school to watch on like the guidelines and stuff. And then we go back on the 9th. I'm not saying I'm not scared because I am scared. I'm petrified. Like you're allowed to opt out, but I didn't want to because I miss school. I never thought I would say that, but I actually miss school. Because like kids are disgusting. People who go to school sick, thinking that they're not sick because it's not like it's not a cold. It's a cold. We have a story time coming soon about how I had corona.
Corona. Europe to America. Corona. America to Africa. Corona. Take precaution. Corona.
I just never told anyone. I got tested positive and everything. Like I had corona, but I will have a story time coming soon about that. But yeah, I'm vlogging today. I'm gonna vlog the rest of this video, so after they get ready with me, then I'm gonna vlog the rest. I'm doing like a really simple look. I don't want to do anything crazy because I don't feel like it. I just been meaning, like I've been meaning to give y'all a makeup tutorial for like the longest, but I just haven't. I don't know why. It'll come one day. If you're watching this video and you want something specific, like if you want my FaceTime routine, my foundation routine. I don't actually wear foundation, but like my no foundation routine, I can definitely give that to y'all. If y'all want like eyebrow tutorial, yeah, if y'all want something specific, I can definitely give that to y'all. But if y'all just want like a makeup routine, then like I will do anything. I don't want to be like solely just makeup. Like I just want to be a like a well-rounded YouTube channel. That's why I haven't like posted a makeup tutorial yet, because I just want to show y'all that like I can do other things than just do makeup. Do I have a stash? I hope I don't. Also, yo, I got a new MacBook. I bought a MacBook because it was hard to edit on my phone and to keep all that stuff on my phone. That's literally a scab. I hope y'all know that. But yeah, it was hard to edit on my phone and keep all that information on my phone and stuff. So I'm trying to learn how to edit with Final Cut Pro right now. Doing stuff. I'm really thinking about buying a camera because I'm having a hard time with phone storage right now. Like a big giant hard time. Like every 5 seconds I lose storage. Like I keep turning off the video to like get more storage, and like it's really annoying because I've ended up losing a lot of videos because of storage, because I would like be like randomly deleting and then I delete all my videos, or it's just dumb stuff, or like I reset my phone and then the video disappears. Like it's quite annoying. I'm thinking like if I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna buy a camera. But I'm thinking like if I stay consistent, I'm gonna do well regardless. So I might as well like get a camera. The fact that I don't have storage is holding me back. But I don't want to buy an expensive camera. It's just all the fact that I need a camera. And buying one right now looks like the only option. Because everybody knows like iPhone storage is like one of the most annoying things ever. Like ever. I just really want to go somewhere with this whole YouTube thing, especially like to literally like record my life, like my milestones. That was the reason I even started in the first place, like literally to record my milestones. And I can't do that because I never have storage. And I've missed out on some really good videos because the videos would just disappear. Yes, I've cried multiple times over my videos. I've cried many times because it's so frustrating. Like even if you're like, it could be anything right now. Like if you're really like having a hard time with something and it's just not working out for you, like don't give up. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't give up. But it's just like, you know, maybe it's the universe telling you like you need to change how you're doing it. Like maybe change your techniques. Also, I owe y'all a couple videos. I owe y'all a story time and I owe y'all a college video. I swore I was gonna do it like last week, but things just got out of hand. I'm definitely gonna give y'all it though, because I feel like I should really be helping a lot of people, because I'm working with Bullseye right now on my college applications and stuff, and I want to relay all that information back to y'all, because I feel like it's not a competition, but you're gonna be competing with people that are in your school. We're really doing this college thing on our own, like this college application thing on our own. So like if I can help anybody, I would love to, because honestly I'm doing it on my own, but I definitely just did a lot of research. And some people just don't know where to go. Like some people don't know what questions to ask, so it's not their fault if they didn't do research as well. It's just that like you have to help people. Some people just don't want to ask bad, but some people just don't know where to start. So I'm gonna start the eyes. I don't know what color I want to do. I just want to do like one color. That's it. I want to put like a peachy color. I'm just gonna like tap it on so it looks like super natural. Definitely like scared of college essays, like petrified, if you will. And I don't want to make myself my own sob story. I just want to show them that like I'm dedicating myself to a problem in the world, and that I want to fix it so bad that I'm making a whole career around it. It looks so cute. I have a couple outfits that I was thinking about, but I think it's 2 outfits I'm thinking about right now. But like I feel like the second outfit fits more with this makeup look. So like this baking powder that I'm using is so nice. It's the Kat Von D baking powder. I've been using it for like almost 3 years now, and I definitely like recommend. Like I don't like any other baking powder, because any other baking powder, it just doesn't do me well, does me right. All the other ones, don't like them. Airspun, don't like it. And it's white, like it's completely white. Like it's white. It's not like no, it's white. It's white. It's white. Oh. I I really like that.
How are you doing today on the Coochie Man?
Okay, so I buy these lashes. These lashes are from AliExpress. They were like $4. Yeah, I can only put my lashes on with tweezers. Like, that's the way I learned. I learned from Aaliyah J, and that's the only way I can do it. This is a finished look. I don't wear highlight. I hope I know that. Okay, so I'm about to start my hair. I already straightened it and like hot combed it last night.
Coochie scalp. I'm at the car at the bar playing Coochie out.
So, let's see what my hair looks like. And whether I need to do some more things to it. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, that's fine. I'm about to hot comb the top again. Yes, I use my eyebrow pencil as my lip liner.
Please don't judge me.
Alright, y'all, so this is the fit. If you watch my Shein haul, you've seen this. These pants are from Fashion Nova. They're like the mom jeans and they're like high-waisted. I think I'm gonna wear like platform sandals or something. But yeah, I need to go press the shirt because it's like wrinkly. But yeah, oh yeah, and this headband is from her brand. But yeah, she sells wigs and she sells these hair bands. So if you wanna get with her, I'll put her IG, and if she has a website, I'll put a website down. But I'm gonna press these out. Okay, so I pressed the shirt. It didn't change much because it is kind of like silk satin. I don't know what the difference is, but it's like a silky shirt, so it didn't really change a lot, but it does look a little better than what it was at first. This is the bag I'm using. I'm so happy that it matches like this. Like, do y'all see that like exact match? Yeah.
Hello, vlog. How you doing? It's a bad bitch birthday. Keep the headbands.
Both of them? Fire.
Eat kickball. I can go.
Hey y'all, I finally made it home. Oh my god, look at my foot. I finally made it home. I'm exhausted. I might go take my makeup off and then go to sleep. But yeah. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials. And you know what to do. Repost your girl and share me to all your friends. Bye.